Hello everyone, welcome to Zaytun Splash channel on YouTube. In this video I want to talk about free and paid WordPress themes. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like the video and share it with your friends. And at the end, if you have liked the video, you can put a comment. Let's start. The most popular website for WordPress themes is the theme forest. Let's see what we can find here. In here we have a category for WordPress themes. We click on it. In here we have categories: corporate, creative, e-commerce, blog, retail, entertainment, technology, non-profit, education, real estate. And in here there are some new themes that have been added into theme forest. And in here we have weekly bestsellers. Awada is the most famous WordPress theme, and I want to make a full video about this theme. The second one is Flatsum. Flatsum is an e-commerce and online shop WordPress theme. The other one is the 7 BE theme. And then here we have the themes which has the most sales, but they are under $14. In here, new bestsellers, they have been added a month ago or 2 months ago, but they had the most sales among the other themes that are added. In here it tell you that you can have unlimited downloads with Envato Elements payment, but Envato Elements do not let you to download WordPress themes which are in theme forest. There are some themes that are only in here. They are free. They have but now we cannot choose which theme to be in theme forest. We download it from here. In here it has some other themes. In here, like, we come to theme forest on the WordPress themes. In here we have Zox News, Blogosphere, Capena, and they are good, but I prefer to use themes from theme forest. In here it is new releases. Some of them it hasn't any sales. It has 1 sale. This has 5 sale. And like this, they are under 48. They have released a new, but they are under 48. This one is $69, but it has discount. It's 46. It will be soon $69. Also this $39, but the real price is $59. There were about 10 parts, WordPress 10 parts and theme forest. Let's check another. In theme forest we have a section at the end. In here we can download 1 item for free every month. In web templates we have an HTML theme which is free for 1 month, but we can download it. When you download this, it's for 1 month. After this, if there is any update available, you cannot download this. In here I can click on download it free, and it will be downloaded, but it will not be added in my downloads. In my downloads there are the plugins or the themes that I have bought and I have paid for. They have support. They have when the new version comes, I can download them. but the free version do not accept this. Now we come to another site, which is Acme Themes. Acme Themes, it has free themes and paid themes. They are free, but they are paid, and we can check the theme and the demo in here. In the demo, it shows the responsive, how it will be in tablet vertical, tablet horizontal, mobile horizontal, mobile vertical, and they all show here. Acme Themes have a pricing tab. In the pricing tab, we see that we have $49 or $99 yearly for one theme. $49 for a theme for one website, and $99 for 10 websites, the developer license. Yearly bundle $199 for all themes, and you can use on unlimited website. And $549 one-time payment. It will be lifetime for you. You can use it in unlimited websites. The other one is WordPress.com core. In WordPress.com, most are free. You can download them free. They are available in WordPress dashboard, but they are good, but not as much good as ThemeForest and Acme Themes. But you can spend your time with it. You can when you don't want to pay, and when you are a starter, you can choose a free theme from here. Some are good in here too, but it's not better than ThemeForest or on Acme Themes. You can download, some of them support the demo data, but some of them do not support demo data. But in ThemeForest and Acme Themes, all has demo data. You can start with demo data, and you can change the text, you can change the image if you are a starter. The other website that I don't tell you to download from this website, because all the plugins, all the themes are nulled. They are free, but the paid version, why they are free? Most of the themes which are in here, they are free, but they have malware. They will hack your website. They will put some junk on your website. Some of them has SEO hack in Google. When you search your website, it shows that this site is hacked. They are all because of free themes, but I don't tell you to download from this website. And at the end, when you like a theme in here, like our theme, I have the license of this theme. We go to preview. Pre-built websites. In here we have many demos that we can choose from. Like I want to choose like author website. This demo is great. for an author. It's a pre-built demo. When you buy the Avada dem, then you can download it. You can download the dem and then you can import this demo. But when you are a WordPress developer, when you are good in CSS, HTML, a little JavaScript, a little PHP, a little Bootstrap, you can design any WordPress websites. Now in these days I'm a little busy, but soon I will create a full WordPress developer course on my channel. See you in the next videos. Have a nice time.